Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokamori UGRI M4, which are lovely guns, and this is obviously an NGRS model. This is going to have, has had a level 9 build done to it. So we've got a Prometheus Tightbore barrel, we've got Prometheus Hop rubber set, we've got the Prometheus 20:1 gears, we've got the Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus Selector plate, Prometheus bearings, Prometheus gold stock bars that convert the stock over to allow just for normal connection of battery just like this. And we've got the obviously Prometheus Flat Nub, Laylax Trigger Pin, which is the pin on the side here. We've also got the FPS piston, we've got the FPS Tappet Plate, FPS Cylinder Heads, FPS Cylinder, FPS Spring Guide, FPS Piston Head. We've got the EagleSix upgraded Recoil Spring and Mainspring. We've got the Lonex A1 Motor, which is a high torque motor, and obviously, yeah, all equates to the build. Obviously, this one's built around 2.8 on request from the customer, and we've got a 2.8 reading of 285 feet per second. So yeah, all ready, and we're just going to demonstrate it working. Just connect this battery up. There, it's a pretty good rate of fire from the Lonex motor. There we go. So all tested. Obviously, I'll put the build in the description for the video, and if you could double check, make sure everything's all right. But hopefully, the build's all good for you, and we can get this into your hands. So thank you.